हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे समथिंग का यूज़ करके डेली बोले जाने वाले 30 अंग्रेजी के सेंटेंसेस जो हमारी डेली लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ में आते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। मुझे कुछ चाहिए। आई नीड समथिंग। आई नीड समथिंग। क्या आपके पास कुछ है? डू यू हैव समथिंग? डू यू हैव समथिंग। उसने कुछ कहा। He said something. He said something. क्या तुम कुछ जानते हो? Do you know something? Do you know something? वह कुछ खोज रहा है। He looks for something. He is looking for something. मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया। I did not understand something. I did not understand something. आप कुछ बताना चाहते हैं? Do you want to tell something? Do you want to tell something? मुझे कुछ काम है। I have something to do. I have something to do. क्या उसने कुछ सुना? Did he hear something? Did he hear something? क्या तुमने कुछ देखा? Did you see something? Did you see something? मुझे कुछ और चाहिए। I need something else. I need something else. उसने कुछ किया। He did something. He did something. आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं? Do you want to ask something? Do you want to ask something? क्या आप कुछ जानते हैं? Do you know something? Do you know something? वह कुछ समझ नहीं पा रहा। He cannot understand something. He cannot understand something. मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता। I can't do something. I can't do something. मुझे कुछ मदद चाहिए। I need some help. I need some help. वह कुछ बोल रहा था। He was saying something. He was saying something. क्या तुमने कुछ खरीदा? Did you buy something? Did you buy something? मुझे कुछ बातें समझ में आई। I understood something. I understood something. उसने कुछ गलती की। He made some mistake. He made some mistake. क्या आप कुछ देखना चाहेंगे? Would you like to see something? Would you like to see something? मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। I don't need anything. I don't need anything. वह कुछ सोच रहा है। He is thinking about something. He is thinking about something. क्या तुम्हें कुछ याद है? Do you remember something? Do you remember something? मुझे कुछ सीखना है। I need to learn something. I need to learn something. क्या तुमने कुछ सुना? Did you hear something? Did you hear something? उसने कुछ बताया। He told something. He told something. क्या आपको कुछ चाहिए? Do you need something? Do you need something? मुझे कुछ नया देखना है। I want to see something new. I want to see something new. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.